As per the US Geological Survey's 2018 National Volcanic Threat Assessment, Dot Zero is considered to be a moderate threat. The last time Dot Zero erupted was over 4,000 years ago. Just how can scientists decipher when the last eruption took place? They do so by studying radiocarbon dating on wood found under the scoria. What the heck is scoria? Scoria are the dark covered volcanic rocks that contain several holes created by coming in contact with the volcano's hot magma. Just what is Mar volcano? Mar volcanoes combust when the groundwater comes in contact with the underground magma, resulting in the destructive expansion of magmatic gas or steam. Dot Zero spans a whopping 2,300 feet wide and 1,300 feet deep. The hot magma beneath the surface of Dot Zero is the heat source for the nearby Glenwood hot springs. Before the railroads were constructed, the community of Dot Zero's largest industry was making cinder blocks from the volcano.